Welcome to today's video, where we're diving into 6 powerful foods that can help prevent strokes and support stroke recovery. Stroke prevention in the United States. Did you know that in the United States, someone suffers a stroke every 40 seconds? According to the American Heart Association, approximately 780,000 new stroke cases occur each year in the U.S. alone. That's one stroke every 40 seconds, costing lives and leaving devastating consequences in their wake. But here's something you might not know. Your diet plays a critical role in both preventing and recovering from a stroke. Scientific research has shown that certain nutrients can help preserve brain function and improve recovery outcomes. Strokes come in 2 main types: ischemic stroke, the most common form, caused by a blockage; hemorrhagic stroke, which is more severe and results from bleeding in the brain. Both types can have fatal outcomes. In fact, stroke is currently the 3rd leading cause of death worldwide, after heart disease and cancer. The good news? Several clinical studies confirm that living a healthy lifestyle and eating certain nutrient-rich foods can reduce your risk of stroke by up to 30%. So, let's discover 6 scientifically supported foods that help prevent strokes and aid in recovery after one occurs. Fatty fish, rich in omega-3s. Think salmon, tuna, and sardines. These aren't just tasty, they're also powerful allies for your brain. These fish are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to reduce the risk of stroke and improve recovery outcomes. According to the American Heart Association, omega-3s can decrease inflammation, improve blood circulation, prevent blood clots. All of these are key factors in stroke prevention and recovery. When combined with other nutrients, omega-3s can dramatically reduce the severity of stroke aftereffects. If fish isn't your thing, don't worry. You can also find omega-3s in seafood, chia oil, flaxseed oil, and even walnuts. Tomatoes, nature's antioxidant. Powerhouse tomatoes are more than just delicious. They're packed with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant known to lower blood pressure, improve blood circulation, reduce plaque buildup in the arteries. Plaque, made up of fat and white blood cells, can clog your arteries and lead to strokes. A study by the University of Eastern Finland followed 1,031 men aged 46 to 55. The results: those with higher levels of lycopene in their bodies had a significantly lower risk of stroke. Adding tomatoes and other red fruits and vegetables to your diet can give your body the antioxidant support it needs to stay stroke-free. Leafy green. Vegetables, kale, spinach, and Swiss chard leafy greens have long been linked to a lower risk of cardiovascular disease. And now research from the Harvard T.H. Chan School of Public Health backs it up. Greens like kale, spinach, and Swiss chard are loaded with vitamin K, potassium, folic acid, vitamin B9. These nutrients help break down arterial fat, eliminate toxins, lower cholesterol, support nerve cell regeneration, all of which speed up recovery and reduce complications after a stroke. Whether steamed, blended in smoothies, or tossed in a salad, leafy greens should be a daily staple in your diet. Olive oil, liquid gold for brain. Health olive oil isn't just a kitchen essential, it's a powerful protector against stroke. Rich in monounsaturated fats, omega-9, antioxidants, and vitamins, olive oil can help lower cholesterol, prevent blood clots, protect the brain from inflammation. One landmark study published in the New England Journal of Medicine, led by Harvard's Preventive Medicine Group, found that regular consumption of extra virgin olive oil can reduce the risk of heart attack and stroke by up to 30%. Another study from the French National Institute of Health and Medical Research revealed that people who used olive oil regularly for cooking or dressing food were 41% less likely to experience a stroke than those who did not. So don't forget to drizzle a little olive oil on your salad, veggies, or whole grain bread. Broccoli, a stroke fighting. Super veggie broccoli is one of those vegetables people either love or hate. But regardless of your taste buds, here's why you should give it a second chance. Broccoli is loaded with vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin A, folic acid, calcium, iron, and potassium beyond its well-known health benefits, like aiding digestion, boosting the immune system, and supporting weight control. Broccoli has now been linked to stroke prevention. Recent study published in ACS Central Science discovered that broccoli contains a natural compound that prevents the formation of dangerous blood clots, enhances the effectiveness of anti-clotting medications, may even delay the onset of stroke in high-risk individuals. So whether steamed, roasted, or mixed into a stir-fry, broccoli is a smart and savory addition to your anti-stroke diet. Whole grains. Fuel for a healthy brain whole. Grains like oats, quinoa, and brown rice are rich. Fiber vitamins, minerals like potassium and magnesium. Antioxidants. Fiber helps with controlling blood sugar, managing weight, reducing stroke risk factors like diabetes and obesity. The minerals found in whole grains help to lower blood pressure, another major risk factor for stroke. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that eating 3 or more servings of whole grains per day can reduce the risk of stroke by about 25%. To add more whole grains to your meals, swap white rice for brown rice. Mix oats into your yogurt. Try a vibrant quinoa salad. Your brain and your heart will thank you. Beyond food, other tips to prevent stroke. While these foods can lower stroke risk by 30–50%, your lifestyle matters. 2. Here are other key prevention tips. Eat a diverse, balanced diet. Don't just eat the same healthy foods. Mix them up and stay colorful. Avoid ultra-processed and greasy foods. They clog arteries and increase stroke risk. Stay physically active. Exercise reduces the risk of stroke and many other chronic illnesses. Control your cholesterol. Get it checked regularly and work with your doctor to manage it. Don't smoke. Smoking is one of the leading causes of stroke. Quitting is essential. Get enough quality sleep. A study in neurology found that adults over 45 who sleep less than 6 hours have a higher risk of stroke symptoms. Manage stress. Simple habits and routines can make a big difference. Stimulate your brain. Mental exercises and hobbies keep your brain sharp. Get vaccinated. A study from the University of Madrid published in Neurology showed that the flu vaccine can reduce the risk of stroke and heart attack by up to 50%, even in those with no prior heart issues. Though researchers are still uncovering why, it's believed that the flu shot helps reduce overall inflammation and cardiovascular stress, offering yet another reason to get vaccinated annually. We hope you found these insights informative and empowering. Now we'd love to hear from you. Do you know any other foods that can help prevent strokes? If you found this video helpful, type yes in the comments and share your experience. Your feedback helps us create more content like this. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when we drop our next video. Thank you for watching, and take care of your health, because when we care, we take action. See you in the next video.